So this morning, I figured we'd go out and get some video from above with the drone of the installation in the front yard of the weather station. I chose to do this and because I have a weather station, I know the windiest day of the last 2 weeks, and my drone is not the most powerful. So instead of getting video of the weather station, I got it stuck in the tree. You might be able to see it just spinning away up there in the wind that I'm trying to capture and get energy out of. So I'm doing something with the wind. I think the wind is winning at the moment. Coming to you today from the rooftop. It's windy, so I'm talking loud so that I can talk over the wind. We'll see how that works out. So the weather station is about 30 foot up, and you can see that we're at about 30 feet on the top of this house, which is about right for 2 stories and the crawl space. I've been looking at the wind data for the last couple of weeks. I think it's been a week since I posted the video, but I've had the weather station up about 2 weeks now. Not getting a whole lot of wind speeds. We'll be gusting up to 10 or 15 miles an hour. Getting a consistent 5 or 8 miles an hour if I'm lucky. Today's been really good. Today we're getting, you can probably hear the wind quite well right now. A lot of 10, 12, 15 mile an hour winds that are more sustained instead of just gusty. And with the 44 degree temperature out here, it's a little chilly. And Mr. Wimpy Texan here is certainly cold. Even up here on this roof, it seems like it would be enough to support a windmill. I think from my research, the big deal with putting a wind turbine in the city is the turbulence, which is the wind changing directions, coming from different directions. Anyway, I also did some research on would it help to go higher? And from what I'm seeing, if I go from 30 feet to 45 feet, that's 50% higher than I'm at now, then I might get an extra 10% wind speed. Going double what I'm at now, so I'm at 30. If I go 60 feet, I could go, it's an extra 16% wind speed. So I'm not sure that it's worth it to go higher. If I happen to have the materials to go higher, I might go ahead and do it. But I'm kind of liking the 30 foot tall is not too tall in our area, I think. The house is 30 foot tall, so having a 30 foot wind turbine in the front doesn't look too odd. Doesn't seem out of scale. So that's the update for this week. Still gathering the data. I'll probably throw some graphs up here to kind of show you what we've got so far. And then maybe after a month's worth, I can start comparing that and find out for the year what I would be getting. And start putting some electricity numbers to that. Calculate the watts.